Thanks for watching Afternoon Live. Now I'm going to toss it out to Kara Mack, who is out at Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics in Tigard. I hear she has a great deal. Carol, what's up?
Trey, you gotta hear this. I just did, so I gotta share $29 facials. I can't believe it. I'm at Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics in Tigard off of 72nd. I'm with Beatrice Van, who's a clinical master instructor here. $29. You just were telling me.
$29.
So if you want to pamper yourself in the new year, this is the place to do it. That's incredible. Talk about Spectrum, how that's possible. I know that you train people here, you teach, and that's how it's all done.
Yeah, so how that works is our students, we really strive for hands-on experience for our students. So we offer facials to the public so they can actually get real life experience. So when they do hit the ground, when they graduate, they can go into a spa and actually work and do services in a spa setting. So what that entails is they really focus on a thorough client intake, really find out about concerns and focuses, and then we cleanse the skin, we do a skin analysis, we do a form of exfoliation, and then we create a treatment plan. So with that facial, they can do a microdermabrasion, they can do a superficial chemical peel, we do a high frequency microcurrent, so things, we use machines, so that's kind of one of the points of difference that we have here at Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics, is that we incorporate machines and devices into our clients' facials so the students can get a real hands-on experience of really treating the skin with devices.
And I'm sorry, if you were to go to any other spa and have that done using these machines, taking you through the whole entire process, you're gonna pay a ton more, and these students are very well trained.
Yes, usually it would be anywhere from probably $80 to $150 or even more depending on where you're going and where the location is. And so the students are supervised, and so that's one of the biggest thing with our school is that we have a low student to instructor ratio. So we have the ability as instructors to really supervise and get in and really work with the students, with the client, and to give them a really good facial at the end.
And that's a great experience for them as well to learn. Take me through the process of what a client goes through when they walk through the door.
So they first walk through, they get introduced by our front desk host, and with that she will kind of go through an intake form with them. The student will review the intake before they take the client. The client will then get brought into the classroom, into the treatment area, and the student will kind of go over those questions of what are your concerns, is there any allergies, sensitivities, and what are some of those primary focuses that you really want to focus on. Then from there, we will take a dermoscope, so it's this huge magnifying light, and so it sometimes is intimidating, but there's certain things that we can't see with the naked eye. So that magnifying light really zooms in to really show us if the skin, what the skin needs for the day. With 2018, we are bringing in skincare for our guests to be able to take care of their skin as well, to maintain the longevity of what we did for them in the day.
You're a pro when it comes to skin. For people at home, what should you look for in your skin, and what's the best service that you should ask for? So like microdermabrasion, I know you offer here. What makes you a good client for microdermabrasion versus others?
So microdermabrasion is good for the client who has dull skin, looking for radiance, has dry patches. Some clients who aren't a good candidate is if you have red, really sensitive skin, because we are using really fine diamond grits to exfoliate the surface of the skin. But really somebody who just wants brighter, healthier, smoother looking skin.
So besides microderm, you've got something that's great for acne?
Yeah, so we have a machine, it's called high frequency. So what that does is it brings energy in these little different types of glass tubes, and the energy from the tube, it zaps the breakouts, and so it kind of dries it out. It also helps with circulation as well. And then we also have a new face device where it's a handheld microcurrent device that helps with contouring and toning the skin. So that's really great for the people who is concerned with aging skin, a little bit of loss of elasticity in their skin, and they're wanting a little bit of a little lift in their face and a little plump.
All right, you've got them all covered here at Spectrum Advanced Aesthetics.